Why smart TikTok shop affiliates are all switching to ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026. As you can see over here, right? This is my ClickBank account. And yes, I'm using also TikTok, organic and TikTok ads to make these kind of commissions and also Google pay-per-click ads. But in this video, we are going straight into TikTok affiliate marketing with ClickBank. So as you know, with TikTok shop affiliate program, you can make few commissions, right? But not as much as with other affiliate networks. Like for example, with ClickBank, you can make up to 90% affiliate daily commissions. Now, the beauty of this system is that it allows you to make money without showing your face on camera if you're not comfortable with that. As you can see, right, those are my weekly commissions. But now let me show you exactly TikTok method that I'm personally using. As you can see over here, here's my TikTok, and you can see I have had 790,000 video views, 15,000 profile views, 71,000 likes, and over here 4,500 comments. Now, what I love about ClickBank and TikTok is that on TikTok I could run ads for 7 days straight, and then the next week I stop running ads, and what I do instead is I use free traffic, organic eyeballs, right? From the audience that I'm getting, from the views. But you need the right type of views, you know. In 2026, it's not about going viral. It's about buyers clicks, buyers traffic, okay? And for that to happen, as you can see over here, right, with my TikTok, what I would do is over here, right, I would focus on buyers clicks, not curiosity clickers. Because curiosity clickers are only there to waste your money and time, especially if you run TikTok ads or Google ads or Facebook ads, right? You don't want people who waste your money. So with TikTok, people are already engaged. As you know, with TikTok shop, people like to buy products. Now I know the commissions are really small. That's why ClickBank affiliate marketing with TikTok is great combination. It's kind of like a hybrid e-commerce model. Why? Because people are already on TikTok daily. They buy physical and digital products. So if you're a smart affiliate, you want to make the most buck on your ad spend, right? Or on your time if you're doing live shopping. Now, personally, I want to make 90% commissions daily on my sale, then only 20 or 30% commissions as TikTok affiliate, or even 15% as TikTok shop creator or TikTok creators do, right? The money is really small. You need to have a big, massive, huge volume in order to make a lot of money as TikTok shop affiliate. So that's why in 2026, if you are smart, and I know you are, because you're still watching this video, right? It means that you should focus on promoting ClickBank products using TikTok. If you're already using TikTok, right? As an affiliate, TikTok shop affiliate, I mean. As you can see with my students, right? We always focus over the Zoom call on creating campaigns that are actually converting on TikTok and also with Google pay-per-click ads. But in this video, it's about TikTok, right? It's really important. Why? Because as I shown you before, right? Engagement is really important. You can see over here 4,500 comments, 71,000 likes, and almost 800,000 views or 1 million video views. Yes, the right type of engagement is important because once we have a quiz funnel or website, we send all these people, audiences, I send personally to quiz funnel, which is really functional sales process, right? We get them engaged through emotional states. We have male and female audience, so language on each copy is different for a specific audience, right? It's very important psychology of marketing here, because if you're wondering why some people are making money with TikTok affiliate marketing and others are losing money or losing time, it's not your fault. It's about having someone who can help you, mentor you one-on-one, step by step along the way, and show you exactly what products are actually converting, all right, on ClickBank, and how to apply this to TikTok account, all right? So even if you have never made money or any dime online with TikTok shop or even ClickBank affiliate marketing, this can be for you if you have at least 20 to 30 minutes a day to do this, okay? Besides your 9-to-5 job, okay? If you want to quit your 9-to-5, you can do this later once you have sustainable income online. It's entirely up to you, okay? So if you want to know exactly how to put it into action, what you can do next is you can connect with me over here, okay? So here's my Instagram. I share how I travel to over 69 countries thanks to being super affiliate on ClickBank, promoting different affiliate offers. Okay, this is my full-time thing. And also you can get on my WhatsApp, you can text me on my email, Facebook Messenger, but please only if you're serious, if you're not excuse maker, if you actually want serious results in 2026 for yourself, for your kids, for your family, for your spouse or parents, and actually want to have daily sustainable passive income. So again, thank you for watching.